Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 3.4, Problem 7. This is Section 3.4, Problem 7. It says multiply the given numbers, and we have 4.38 times 1.7. So, to start the problem off, you can really multiply 438 times 17. Just ignore the decimals initially. So 7 times 8 is 56. Write the 6, carry the 5. Next, 7 times 3 is 21. 21 plus the 5 that you carried is 26. So if 26, write the 6 again. Carry the 2. Then 7 times 4 is 28. 28 plus the 2 that you carried is 30. Now, when you go down to the next row to multiply the 1, you either have to move over one position to the left and leave that spot blank, or you can fill in a 0 to hold your place. I like to put in the 0. And then the 1 is easy. 1 times 8 is 8. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 4 is 4. And now I can add. So I'll add 6 plus 0 is 6. 6 plus 8 is 14. So for 14, write the 4, carry the 1. 1 plus 0 plus 3. Well, 1 plus 0 is 1. And then 1 plus 3 more is 4. 3 plus 4 is 7. So without the decimal, I'd have an answer of 7,446. That's really not the answer because I have to put the decimal in. So at this point, go back to your question, count the total number of digits after the decimal in your question. There's 3 digits total after the decimal in the question. So now in the answer, you must have the same number of digits after the decimal, 3. So to have 3 digits after the decimal, I'll put the decimal right after the 7. So my answer is 7.446.